it's Kathy, the plant-based lady. I am so grateful to be here with you. Today, I'm going to just show you how to make green olive. If you really love green olives like me, and you love cream cheese, but you love plain cream cheese, but yeah, we're rocking the plant-based scene these days, right? The whole food plant-based scene these days, and sometimes the plain cream cheeses, you just want a little bit more oomph to them, right? You want some more flavor to them. And one thing that I started doing is I took my mom's stuffed celery recipe or little snack, if you will, right? And I just, I use that. I use that on a regular basis. I take the vegan plain cream cheese. What I do is I just grab one of these, right? This is Kite Hill, no oil in it. It's pretty slamming. And this is my Ninja blender, right? This is my Ninja blender. Me loves it. And I just take some Kite Hill plain cream cheese and see, I got 4 of them. What I do is I'll pop these in my blender just like so, right? Slides right out, baby. Right? Slides right out. Put those in there. It's real easy, right? And yeah. And I'll hold on to the containers, right? Because I'm going to put the cream cheese right back in there, right? You make as much as you want, baby. It's your house, okay? And then I got their Big Picture brand, organic green olives. These are really, really, really good. These are really delicious. And I got these at Whole Foods. So just take some green olives. I drain the juice out. Less salt is good, right? You can rinse these off if you'd like as well, if you want to further decrease the salt content. But these are pretty low in salt, this particular brand, right? And but they're really, really, really jam-packed, full of flavor. Whoops. Yeah, so I just pop a couple of jars in there, right? With those 4 containers of plain cream cheese, right? Plain plant-based cream cheese. And I like to put the cream cheese, the pseudo cream cheese, right, on crackers. I like to use it as a dip too, right? I like to use it as a dip. I like to use it on my bagels. Here we go, baby. Just blend it up. That's it. Yeah. And that's it, baby. And I just take that off, and you can see, right? It's really smooth, really creamy, really, really creamy, right? Really tasty. I love you so much. So damn tasty. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, baby. Ding that thing. And yeah, come join us on a regular basis. Also, if you're really new to the whole food plant-based diet, lifestyle, habit scene, and you really want to learn more about it, and you're not really sure exactly what the hell it is, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I've created a free webinar that I go into a little bit more detail about what a whole food plant-based diet really is. I love you so much. Check it out. If you want to donate to my channel and my cause, please feel free. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'll leave a link in the description below as well with how you can do that. I love you, and I cannot wait to hang out with you again really, really soon. Thank you so much. Thank you.